Philippines!
Cha-cha-cha, oh la la la. It's time to send the box. Ito na yun guys. Ito na yung time na ipadala na natin yung box sa Pinas. Ito na yung may giveaway, 3. And yun, so excited lang ako guys kasi as in pag ilang araw lang yun, inano ko siya, pinapak at natapos agad. So si Tami naman, ito yung ginagawa namin. Dito na lang namin dalhin yung box sa likuran. Oh, we need to put the bag. This thing. I have those horses meat.
Horses. Hold them horses.
Freaking horse meat. You can just put that in the side, you know.
Where's
You don't have to take it out. You don't have to take it out. Like that. It's just like this. Cover it. Hey, you can't hold your horses.
I know horses.
Okay, go. Oh, shit. Okay. Okay. You know what? No. Oh. I'll drive. Huh?
You gotta worry about hitting that car on the way out.
You way out, you're gonna use that car.
I know, but as I pulled out, I had to worry about hitting that car. Look how many moves I had to do.
You really don't know how to maneuver. Even you don't know how to maneuver.
I know how to
huh?
maneuver. I don't want to hit the front of this car on the garage door, and I don't want to hit that car.
Oh my God, you're such a baby.
What? I'm such a baby.
Okay, hold on. And this car too is like, I need to maneuver too. Nako talaga. Okay guys, let's go. That's I wish you park this car outside. You know why? The rain will clean the car up.
Which one?
This car. The outside is so dusty. My car just washed yesterday and then it's raining.
How it goes.
Okay guys, so let's go. We're done. Did you close it?
Yeah.
Okay. So garbage. No, that's not garbage first.
Garbage first. Garbage
No.
second.
Garbage
Insurance
second.
First. Garbage second.
Yeah, so we're gonna drop my life insurance, guys. Look at Harold is over there.
Harold is
Look,
there.
garbage. And I think they really drive into our driveway.
Yeah, that's what
Just
it's
like they drive in the owners. The owner of the garbage thing. Can you just put it down there for now, Tommy? You're not using it. Don't be crazy.
like, you know.
And you can put it later when you're not like... This is, guys, this is very noisy we are. We really are like this. And like my husband always starts something. Rehan, you're starting always.
Yeah, I can't help myself.
Good, you admit. I like it.
Yeah.
Oh, their pumpkin still. Oh, it's dying because of. Package pala guys. Itong ating giveaway sa kasabay yung balikbayan sa box sa family ko. Yung giveaway pala guys is i-announce ko guys yung winner. Hindi yun, but i-announce ko kung kailan kayo tawag nun, kung kailan kayo mag-entry guys para kung sino yung manalo. So yun, so I will let you know guys. So yun, padala natin itong box na ngayon kasi para makarating, hopefully, I don't think so na makarating ito talaga on the right time sa Christmas, because you know Christmas there's a lot of people sending balikbayan box to the family from abroad. So I don't think so this will be we'll get in there on time.
Not necessarily from abroad. Could be from a guy.
Huh?
Could be from a guy.
Huh?
Not necessarily from abroad.
Seriously.
That's it.
Anyway, so see you later. Wala pa. Manghingi ako extra, kuya, ha? Oo, kaya kasi may meron pa ako doon sa bahay. Pwede man ahead of time, no? Maghingi ako papel.
No problem.
Okay. So yun, bye-bye na box. Alay! Hala! Kuya! Hala! Oh my God!
I do that all the time.
I do that. Han, he has a knee problem.
That's one of the reasons.
Kuya, sorry.
I do that all the
Oh
time.
my God. I always do that so, kuya.
Just wait.
Okay.
All right.
Dami. Kuya, deliver na ito next, kuya? Deliver ito next tomorrow? Hindi pa. Itong mga boxes.
You just miss 2
Oh.
hours ago. Finish up yung box.
Oh my God, really? And then
Yeah.
when is the next?
Wednesday.
Wednesday?
You messed up. You said Thursday.
Akala ko Thursday kasi.
You said Thursday. You said Wednesday.
Oh.
Okay.
Sige. Oo. Han, I'll see you up there, okay? Sabi pa niya, we're not done yet daw. Ano kayong plano nito?
That look good.
I got you some of that before and you know.
Sausage.
No, that's not sausage. That's a Filipino thing.
What is it?
Different thing. It's sweet thing. Sweet and stuff.
Sweet. Okay. Forget the sweet.
Yeah, you don't like it.
What's that?
That's beef.
Okay.
Beef.
Get the beef. What else?
Ano to, ate? Lechon paksiw. Nagadaw siya, tiyo eh. Maghuto na lang. So, I think the beef thing. It's a beef. How do you call that, eh? The beef? Beef steak.
Okay, so you got a beef steak. Get this.
No.
No. What?
Get the beef steak, yung small. Ano yung small ninyo dito? No, yung medium. Yeah, that one. That one, Han. That one. That's goat, honey.
Yeah, that one. This is lechon.
Yeah, lechon.
So we'll get that.
No, that's all.
We're gonna get this.
No, that's it. That
Oh.
one. That's it. Tama na, ate. Huwag na palabing sabaw. Si ate. Lechon paksiw. Oh,
Thank you.
ti.
And with this also.
Nak, ito daw ti oy, naunsa naman kinabuhi oy. Oo, kana. Oo. Wala talaga akong plano dito, guys. Akala ko walang bilhin si Tami kasi nga mag-drop lang kami ng box. Ngayon gusto niyang bumili kasi nga, guys, na-feel ba daw siya kasi binigyan daw siya ng free dessert nila. So yun. So yun, guys, we're going to Walmart. We're going to Walmart and we're done for the package. Na-pick up na pala yung package ngayon nila doon. So, next week na naman ulit. Sayang, oy.
Yeah, I knew they picked up already when I saw inside it. You were the only box on the cart.
Serious?
Yeah. So, that indicates that they just did a pickup. There was nothing else there. I thought you need to lift it on top of stuff. So, let's see how many things you got wrong inside of 10 minutes. Your address, your email address, your phone number,
He's so proud of it, guys, that I'm young and he is older and he remembers everything and I'm forgetting it. So, he's proud.
Really simple things though, hon. Your address, really? Your phone number? Really?
What did I write the number? It's 2 in the end.
62. 68.
It's crazy. I have to erase my email address because I write it wrong. I don't remember. And he is so happy, like he is like
I'm not so happy. I think it's a bad sign that you forget. Like,
I do forget. I even forget if we
some
eat
things
this
you
morning.
forget, okay, but I mean, these are basic things like your email address.